everyone, and welcome to Cricut Time. Subscribe to see new videos each week with project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will show you how to make your own Christmas towels using your Cricut or Silhouette. For this project, you'll just need some towels and some iron-on or heat transfer vinyl. This is also called HTV for short. I found the designs for today's project right in the Images section of Design Space. I'll include their image numbers in the description below so you can find them easily. When you are using HTV, you always have to remember to click this little button here, Mirror, so you don't end up with a backwards final product. Unlike vinyl, you'll be flipping the whole thing over, so you need to cut it out mirrored. This is ready, so now I can cut it out. For this project, I'll be using Sizer's Glitter HTV in white. To start out, I'll just cut out a piece a little bit larger than my design. If you haven't used HTV before, there are two different sides. The shiny side is the carrier sheet, kind of like transfer tape, and the more matte side is the actual vinyl. Make sure you stick the shiny side down to the matte. Glitter HTV is a lot thicker than regular HTV. Because of this, you can either use a green matte that is fairly new and is still really sticky, or just switch to a purple strong grip matte instead. Next, I'll use a brayer to stick it down really well to the matte. Now I'll pop it into my Maker 3. You can use a Cricut or Silhouette for this step. Now I'll use my weeder tool to pull off the background. I'll just flip the mat over and peel the mat away from the HTV to get it off. I will be making 2 towels today, so I'll use my scissors to cut these apart. This is ready to go. Now let's get the towel ready. Put down either a heat mat or a towel. The first thing I need to do is take a lint roller and remove any loose fibers where the HTV will go. Next, I need to prep the towel by giving a quick 5-second press with my heat press. Now I can place the design into position. That looks good, so now I can stick it on using my Easy Press 2. For Sizer's Glitter Vinyl on 100% cotton, I need to set my heat press at 320 degrees for 20 seconds. If you aren't sure which setting you should be using for a specific material, you can look it up by searching for that company's heat guide. Flip it over and do the back for an extra 15 seconds. I just need to wait a minute and make sure it's cool to the touch, and then I can pull off the carrier sheet. Well, these towels are done and ready for Christmas. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.